Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So today's video, Wicked Family, we are going to talk about the Sega Mega Drive Mini Classic Console. And for the American, yes I know, you have the Genesis version. Alright, so I've been waiting for this one for a very long time. I've noticed a lot of fellow YouTubers got this thing in the mail way earlier than me. But yeah, nevertheless, I needed to wait. So I know a lot of YouTubers are going to make a review about it, and it's going to be an invasion of these unboxings. Nevertheless, I just wanted to show you, for my Wicked family, what are we going to get. I want to give my personal opinion about it. Alright, so to begin with, the Sega Mini. I grew up with the original Sega Mega Drive. It was my first system that I really considered like gaming system. Mega Drive, here is where the love started. I love my favorite game, Sonic the Hedgehog. The Sega Mini Classic, I was very curious, what are we going to get? Because here comes the problem with most of these mini things. Basically, retro gaming, I love it. But the question is, what are we going to get? Is the emulation good enough? I love the fancy menus and all the extra options that comes with this thing, and even they include 42 games, because if you look at this, we're having 40 games. Turning it around, you can see we're having 2 extra games. There's really no clue what is it, to be honest. If you look at the game collection, it got a very decent game collection. I know a lot of people were saying, yeah, but I'm missing out this one. For example, I miss out Sonic 3 and Knuckles. It's my favorite Sonic game for the Mega Drive, so to be honest, I was a little bit disappointed seeing that was not on it. So I think a lot of people will buy this and will miss out a lot of great games. So far I know there is no way of adding games, maybe in the future, who knows, who shall tell. Alright, so let's do a little bit of an unboxing. I'm very curious, how is this thing feeling if it comes to the controllers? Is it made by chemical plastic? Who knows? So the presentation itself, I love the box. I don't know if it's the good quality like, let's say, no, better said, I hope it's not the same quality like the SNES and the NES from Nintendo, because those boxes were pretty damn horrible, because we had a lot of, let's say, on the edges, some paint was tearing down, a little bit of a bummer. Alright, so let's open it up, let's see what we're going to get. Alright, very gentle, otherwise I'm going to destroy the box. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what we have here. A lot of different stuff. Alright, HDMI cable, micro USB. We're having the manual over here. Nobody reads that. Ooh. Oh, wait, people. Oh, the smell of new stuff. I love it. You have no chemical plastic. Alright, so here in the Netherlands, I grew up with this controller. Yes, it's the 3-button. I was also a little bit disappointed seeing that we're getting this controller again. Always when I'm surprised with these companies that they're bringing out after so many years their system back, in this case the mini version, and the controllers feel and look like the original one. That is so surprising me. How is this possible? It's like freaking magic that they go back in time, grab some controllers, wiggle a USB stick on it, or USB connection, and there, it's unbelievable. It feels like back in the day. Nice D-pad. Hope you can hear it. Okay people, I just need a moment for myself. Together with the smell test. The smell of the 90s and the feeling. Alright, so let's take a close look at the system itself. I must say everything is packed up very nice. Really nice. Ta-da! Yeah people, I'm in love. So, I must say, it looks really cool. So far I understand that this thing doesn't do anything, this little volume control, but nevertheless, I love it. It looks so cool. It looks so nice. It weighs quite heavy for a mini console. The reset is a clicky button now. Alright, so this is what you're going to get, people. There's even this little Plastic you can remove because we can use it like in tower. I hope I can get my hands on the thing. I really love to display it that way. Alright, so let's see what we have more. We're giving here some information at the bottom. The plastic. Is there some... Ooh. Is there anything in it? No, there's nothing in it. There is just basically nothing. It's more for decoration and there is no way of using an adapter or something to play your original games. So right, this concludes a little bit of the unboxing of the Sega Mini Classic. We're going to do some play, we're going to test it out, and I'm just very curious what are we going to get and is the emulation pretty decent. Alright, so let's do a quick boot up. Let's see what we're going to get. You need to choose your language. English please. Yes. Okay, so here's the menu. It looks really smooth. I like it a lot. Okay, let's see what we have more. Here we have all the games. To the Race 2 is on it, so I'm very happy. Alright. Ooh, Eternal Champions. Yes, I like it. So the game collection, I'm just going to be honest, it's pretty decent. A lot of great games, and I think they just made a great choice. You must understand there are a million people who are buying this thing, so you need to have this choice of games that everybody's going to like. So I think they nailed it with this one. Alright, let's go to the settings. Can you hear the buttons? Can you hear the buttons of region control? Yeah. Language, screen settings, so we can go to the 4x3 and the widescreen. Wallpaper settings, okay, staff credits, legal notice and resets for factory reset. Please read this before playing. Alright, let's read. No, we can because we need to scan it. Okay, we don't need to play too long. Blah blah blah. Release date, we can sort them out by alphabetical order. During what kind of games, how many players, release date. Alright, so okay, let's choose a game. But I think it's a really cool feature that every time you start up a game, you see some information when it's being released. Alright, so a very cool feature is that when pressing the reset button, like NES and SNES, you're getting the option to save and load your game. And we're even having freaking 4 save slots, so there's a lot of save slots. So
Power up.
Alright, so that concludes this video and testing regarding the Sega Mega Drive Mini Classic. Personally, I really love this product. It's a very nice product to collect and to play. So keep in mind you're stuck with the games. There's no way of adding games, so straight out of the box buy an SD. But for example, the add games had this option. Yes people, the add games, this second version. And if you didn't notice, check out this video. But still, this one is more authentic. If you look at the shell itself, if you look at the controllers, this is more like the 90s feeling. So and overall, I think this is a really cool product for collect to play, to enjoy some old school retro games. If it comes to emulation, I must say the emulation itself, it's pretty decent. I need to point out I grew up with the PAL version, so for me there are a lot of new differences. I really love the speed of the new games. But if you look at, for example, Sonic Spinball, I don't know what you think about it, but I am getting this idea that it runs on turbo mode, but that can be personally me. We're going to do more comparisons with, let's say, the original stuff and this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell and become one of the Wicked family for more awesome Wicked content. And yeah, let me know, did you see something that I missed out? The Sonic 2, the bubble or the shield problem I've seen by other YouTube videos. This Mega Drive didn't have that problem. Maybe in capture problem from somebody else, I really no clue. So it looks nice, it plays nice. I think it's a pretty cool product. Want to thank you for watching. See you next time and bye bye. Sega!